Good morning and welcome back. This is Lawrence and we're going to talk about the trade we took today in just a second. It's been about a week since we've last taken anything, mainly because we want to avoid all this garbage here as the market started to slide. But today we gapped up over two bullish candles on the SPY. On the NASDAQ, we also gapped up over this bearish candle, so we expect some of bullish momentum. But on our trade today, it gaps under both these candles, under this bullish candle yesterday and right into a pivot. So we marked that line at 1751, which is the low of day 2 days ago. And we marked the next potential support area, which is about the 1650 area. So ideally, if I get into this trade, I want to get out before 1650. And let's see what happens when we open up on the day. So starting off the day with a green candle, but we see there's a lot of bearish volume there, a lot of down volume. Immediately the price comes back down and starts to consolidate right above where our pivot line was, right at 1751. The lows of 1750. Typically I like the breakdowns when they break down around a whole dollar or half dollar, so 1750 is pretty good for me. And then if I take it to the 2-minute candles, it sets up a nice little bear triangle there, so works on multiple time frames, and I like that with plenty of room to move back to the pre-market lows here. And as you see, the noted 1650 areas here, so ideally I do not want my target to be anywhere near there. So what happens is we get triggered in here, bounces down, the market starts to rally around, I think, 945. Let's see, yeah, around 945. Yeah, around 945 here starts to bounce, and what we're seeing is that NAVI's a little slow to bounce. Around 945, yeah, it's still sitting at the lows before it starts to move a little bit. It doesn't come really near our stop out point around, what, 1780. So it starts to break back down again, even the market's going bullish. And I think around this time is when NASDAQ starts to come back down again. Yeah, NASDAQ starts to come back down again, and it takes NAVI with it. So we hit both our targets, our first target and our second target. This actually be helpful if I put up my orders. So that's where you see our orders are here, and then we're coming back in, hit our first target here, second target, and you'll see in the video in just a second this nice thick red candle. And it's always nice to see when our trades go in our direction and we see a big candle going for us. So that was it. Enjoyed the video. If you like what you saw, subscribe, like. See you next time.